Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete autofill data on Chrome. So to do that, I'm going to head over to my Chrome browser and then here logged into Google. So I'm currently heading over to my Google account and going to the passwords and autofill section in here. And once I'm in here, you will find different sorts of options. So in the autofill and passwords, there is the option of Google Password Manager. Tap in here. So here you'll see the passwords that might get autofilled while you use your Chrome. So if you want to delete one of them, just tap or click on one of them, and here you will find these console, and in here you'll find the delete option. Click on delete and it will be deleted. You can also undo it once you think you need it to. So yeah, this is how you can delete autofill on your Chrome browser. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will see you in the next video.